there's a view of the pool. Direct access siya sa pool actually. So I think this is a good room. Hey guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a staycation vlog. Today is January 14, 2021 and it's already 4 p.m. We were supposed to check in ng 2 o'clock sa Villa Socorro. Villa Socorro is a private resort and it's parang Greek siya eh. Parang kang nasa Santorini inspired na villa, and if you're planning to do a getaway here in Pampanga soon, please stick around. See you later! This is the dining area. It could sit up to 8 people. Tapos meron din ditong another 4-seater naman na table. And then that's the ref. You could use it for free. Also, may burner sila, electric kettle, rice cooker, and some plates. Pero they are highly encouraged na magdala kayo ng sarili niyong plates and utensils. There are 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, and then 3. Meron pang isa sa taas. So, tara. First bedroom. Sa pool actually, so I think this is a good room. Now, second bedroom naman. Wow, okay, so may cabinet siya. And then merong single bed, and then merong, I think this is a nice bed. Ang gusto ko dito, it has its own bathroom. I really like that working area kasi nagdala ka ng laptop. So, mamaya pwede ako mag-laptop dyan to work or to watch me some K-drama. And then here, meron naman siyang access to the garden. Wow! Pwede ka din magkape-kape dito. So, I think bawat rooms naman merong perks. Now, let's check out their room upstairs. Let's go up. Third bedroom. It's pretty simple lang, but it's the most spacious of them all. And meron siyang 3 beds. Of course, you have your bathroom in this floor. Ayan. And then my favorite part of this villa is this area right here, this patio or terrace right here where you can see the nature. Tapos ayun yung bundok. Oh my god. And then of course, here is the pool. It's so therapeutic. Especially in this day and age na naka-quarantine tayong lahat. This is definitely a breath of fresh air. Sige na! Pasok na kayo! Pwede na! next day already and hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi yun nga, intimate moments kasi 29th birthday ni Isaac. Much art of pudding for sending this over. Ayan, iba-ibang flavors ng pudding. Tapos iba-iba din yung toppings. And then, actually 8 flavors yung sinend niya. But, kinain na namin yung tatlo. So, eto na lang. Nagpadala din si Guilty Pleasures by Pin ng, ito naman panna cotta. This is ube panna cotta. And then, ito tinry ko na kanina, the strawberry panna cotta. Ayan. Ano siya? Hindi siya artificial jam. I think this is homemade strawberry jam. So, we are ready to swim. This is us. Ayan, lapit tayo para makita na lang si Tala. Ayan, yung watermelon swimwear niya. Hello, baby! Check, it's 12 o'clock and we are almost ready to check out. Naka-ready na yung mga luggage namin. So yan, bag ni Tala, and then bag ulit ni Tala, tripod, luggage namin ni Isaac, laptop, and then toiletries. Hindi ko alam din bakit kanya karaming toiletries. And then we have comforter, diapers, and bathtub ni Tala, dinala namin, bottle sterilizer, some bottles, and bottle. Ayan sila, nagpipicture-picture sila bago umalis. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and for joining us in this trip. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till our next one, bye!